Mom, look out. Open the door.
Move the rug. Take your foot up, Brandon.
I want to record the video. Man. Oh, well, we just got to wait. Open that door. Yeah. Maggie, get in here. Got to glare on the video. Oh. I see it. Dog, get down. That's cool. Open the door. No, she won't. Not if you hold her. Maggie, sit down. Hold on. I'm recording them. Maggie, shut up, dog. What, you heard the firework? Yeah, they're setting them off. Pretty decent. Sure you are.
Especially
cool.
since they're right outside the back door.
That was cool.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
Let me turn this light out.
Maggie. Well, I can see them fine. Just gotta wait till they set off some more. I guess, okay, yeah, they're gonna light them, let's see. Come on, any day now. Set off. Here comes some more. Maggie, get down, dog. Yep, I know. What, you think I'm deaf? Come on, there we go. Yeah. Woo! Oh, dude, that was cool. Where'd it go? Okay. Come on, set up some more people. Maybe. They seem to have a lot of fireworks all the time. Nope, they're setting off some more. Oh, that was gay. Didn't even explode. No bottle rockets explode. There's something down there. Oh, this little brown fireworks and such. That's the end of that one. What? Oh, these little tiny ones. Oh well, entertaining nonetheless. That's cool. One, I guess. Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, here it comes sometime soon. Whenever it chooses to ignite. Someday, maybe. Oh, there's one. That's lame. And they're lighting some other one. Oh, that was good. There's little tiny things.
Hi, sleeping.
Oh, that was cool. Oh, what? Oh, man. I didn't expect them to do that. But this should be cool. If it works. Whatever it is they're doing over there. Oh, dude, that was cool. Down the path goes. Got one thing, there's another coming, I suppose. If it's gonna wait. Maybe, possibly. Oh, that was cool. Whoa, sweet. They must have spent some money on these. Oh, get down. Oh, that was cool. Record video. Oh, don't call me back, and I'll call you whenever you get on Skype, okay? Yeah, you can probably hear them all. They're not making a whole lot of noise, but okay.
Cheesy bread. Yeah. Okay. No. Domino's new Super 6 Mix. Choose 3 or more